Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel AK Cooks. Thank you for watching my videos and liking it. I really appreciate that, and please subscribe my channel, and all the viewers who's watching me and putting the lovely comment, and I'm thanking for them so much. And today I'm gonna do one of the chutney that I really like eating with the samosas, or you could eat with anything, like most of this like snack thing. And I'm gonna show you my way of doing it, and there's the ingredient I need. It's very simple and easy to make, and very healthy as well. So these are mint leaves, and it's just from one of my friends give it to me from her garden. It's very fresh, and I will make one drink with that. I will show you next time. It's so delicious as well, fresh for this summer thing. And this is the red dried chilies. It's not that hot, not that mild. It's quite mild, so I'm just using about 5-6 in there. And garlic cloves, about another 6-7 in there, and about half a teaspoon of cumin seed, and pinch of 5 spice in there. So that's all I need to make my chutney. So I'm just gonna start doing it now. So I just heated up a pan in there, so I just want to roast some of the ingredient. So I'm just gonna put the cumin seed and the 5 spices in there to give it a little bit roasted flavor into it. And I'm just gonna put the not green, I used to saying green chilies, but not green, red chilies, and the garlic in there. So just give it a twist and mix it for a couple of minutes for that. So I'm just gonna, at the moment my gas heat is a medium. Just I need a little bit flavor, to burning sort of flavor. It gives a very nice kick into it. You could add more chili if you want more hot sauce or more garlic, but this very mild, not too hot. As you could see, the garlic is getting a little bit burning. And the smell coming through it, very nice. So just like a minute now, so I'm going to give it another minute. Still, you can see it's not ready because I didn't put a high heat in there. So it's a medium heat, that's why it's going to take a couple of minutes. So it just took me just a little bit over 2 minutes, but I wanted to do it slowly, so that's why. So everything is now roasted properly. As you can see, they're nice. I don't want it to burn, so that's fine. So I'm gonna put the heat off now. So at the moment I just put all these this dry spice what I roasted, I just put in a mixture, and I'm just gonna mix this, make it a powder first. Before I add anything else. As you can see, that's all. I don't need too much. So I'm just gonna add the leaves now, the mince. Nice, lovely smell. So I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of natural yogurt in there. And a pinch of salt to your taste. And 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. That should be fine. Might just add another tablespoon of yogurt. Just need a little bit of sauce in there, so should be fine. That's perfect. Yes. So I'm just gonna add half a teaspoon of sugar, so it gives it not very nice and kills a little bit of the spice heat. Should be fine now. Lovely amount of chili. And if you think it's hot, then put a little bit sugar more. You kill the hotness in there. And as you can see, look at the sauce. That's what you need. Lovely. And I'm gonna have with my dinner. So do make it, and hope you enjoyed this sauce when you make it. And inshallah, I'll see you in my next video. Take care, and please do like and comment and subscribe my channel. And assalamu alaikum. Bye.